Here are some amazing wooden gadgets and item ideas that you can sell online and earn a handsome amount of money. We are back again with another amazing video. In our today's video, I'm going to show you some designs and the items that you can build at your garage by doing a woodwork, and then you can sell it online and you can earn a handsome amount of money. These projects are very simple. A beginner woodworking crafter can make it and you can sell it online. So let's get started. There were many different wooden gadgets and the item that you could sell online to earn money. Here are some ideas to get started. Wooden cutting board are a kitchen essential that never goes out. You could create cutting board in a different shapes, sizes with a unique design and the creative ideas. Wooden home decor items such as wall art, frame, and the shelves can be an interesting character to any room. You could create this type of piece with a different design and pattern, even customize them with as per your own choice. Wooden jewelry is one of the most popular options for those who prefer natural material. You could create necklace, bracelet, earrings, and the other piece using a variety of different types of wood. Wood planter, one of another great way to bring a touch of nature into a room. You could create planter in different sizes and the shapes with unique design and a pattern carved into the wood. Wood utensils such as spoons, spatula, and the salad server are a sustainable alternative to the plastic and the metal utensils. You could create a set of utensils in wood, different alternative shape, size with unique design and the approach. There were just a few ideas to you get started. The possibilities are endless when it comes to creating woodcraft and the gadgets item to sell online. Just be sure to do your research and create a product according to your need, high quality and high in demand.
To be valuable source of income for people looking to earn money online, whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just starting out. There are plenty of opportunities to sell your creations and in the interest and earn some extra cash for your kitchen. In this article, we will explore some of the best wooden art and the project ideas that you can sell online, as well as some tips for marketing your creation and building successful online business. First of all, we will go through what you can make with wooden art. You can make a cutting board, wooden sign, picture frame, jewelry boxes, wooden toys, and furnitures. Cutting boards are a practical and attractive addition to any kitchen. They can be made from a variety of different types of wood and can be personalized with engraving and the other decorative touches. Cutting boards are relatively easy to make and they can be sold for a good profit online. Wooden signs are popular decoration for home and the business, and they can be customized with different sign and the sayings. They can be made from a variety of different type of wood and they can be sold at a range of different prices point depend upon their sizes and the complexities in a style. Wood picture frame is another beautiful product that you can sell online. Wooden picture frame are a timeless classic that never goes out of style. They can be made in a variety of different sizes and the styles. and they can be personalized with different type of wood and the finishes. Picture frames are relatively easy to make and they can be sold for a good profit online. Wooden jewelry boxes are a beautiful and the functional gift that can be customized with different type of wood and the finishes. They can be made in a variety of different sizes and the styles, and they can be sold for a good profit online. Wooden toys are a classic that never goes out of style. They can be made in a variety of different style and the sizes. They can be sold for a good profit online. Wooden toys are a great option for parents looking for a natural and the rustic and eco-friendly toys for their kids and the children's. Wooden furniture is a bigger and more complex project, but it can be a great way to earn a higher profit income. Furniture can be made in a variety of different styles and the finishes, and it can be customized to fit different space and the preferences. Creating a website is a great and showcase your woodwork and sell your creation online. You can use website builder like Wix and the other professional looking website, and you can hire web developer or create a custom site for your online woodworking and wood art store. Attending craft fairs and showcase your creativity is a great way to showcase your work and connect with the potential customer. You can sell your creation directly at the fair, and you can use the opportunity to collect leads and build a relationship with the potential customer. By offering customization is a great way to attract customer and differentiate your product from competitors. You can offer personalized engraving, different type of wood or finishes, or other customization option depending upon your product. Collaboration with
I provided you the list of potential wooded gadget and item that you could sell online to earn money. As per your request in your essential questions, these items were suggested based on their popularity and demand in the market, as well as their potential of customization and the personalization. Unique and high quality product, you may be able to attract customer and build a strong relationship with your customer, and you can enhance your business by dealing your customer and making a quality product gadgets and items.